Hey, I'm Romain from Livestorm. Okay. A storm, but you throw lines. Hey, my name is Romain. I'm head of brand at Livestorm. Because Livestorm is now way more than a simple webinar platform. We're doing way more things, and we needed our brand to reflect that. That's a good one. This whole rebranding is sitting on a paradox because we wanted to give Livestorm more personality, but at the same time we need to keep Livestorm quiet because our product is sitting in the middle of our customer stack, and we don't want to steal the show for them. In our field, there are some aspects that can be abstract. I'm thinking about all the marketing aspects, technological aspects. And we wanted to find a way to represent this. So we used 3D to give colors, shapes, and like a more tangible feeling to all these things. And it's like truly incredible the freedom we have when we work with 3D. The new logo is more an evolution of the previous one than a proper new logo. We didn't start from scratch. We tried to remove all the defaults it had, like for example this never really centered feeling it was giving because of the two colors. And we also tried to make it modern, so we like boxed it. Yeah, so we are like more speaking of an evolution. We wanted to like keep the awareness we started to build around the previous one for years now. Kind of same as for the logo, we decided to keep what was great and make it better. So for example, the blue is almost the same, but it's a bit more powerful. We also turned our black into this fancy dark green. And we added 8 new colors to like give more joy to the brand and to be able to tell more stories. We are now using Objects. It's a geometric no grotesque font made by Alex Lobzeninov for Pipedrive. What we liked about this font is that it's kind of like us in the way that, depending on the way to use, it can have a lot of personality, but at the same time it can make itself really discreet. And it's working fine with the system-looking font we're using product side. We start with scripts, and from there we try to find the best matching song, and then it gives us a rhythm, so we can just throw like 3D objects, animations. We play with the fonts and the colors, and it's like motion is really what ties the whole branding together. Photography was probably the most challenging part of this rebranding. We decided to use our own employees as models. So for example, Diane, our recruiter, is now Sarah Martin, a teacher who uses Livestorm to give courses. And it's pretty great because we now have hours of them saying yes, no, scratching their heads, going out, coming back in the scene. A pretty endless stock we have, and we can like pick stills from there, and they're gonna be sharp because of the really high quality video we shot. I'd say powerful yet discreet, and rising because we're just starting on it and we are trying to like make it evolve. We're working on this like 5 days a week. Yeah, maybe, unless I sell it as an NFT first.